My also.
Even yesterday, I have not seen anyone's homework. Today in morning, I check my phone. Yesterday, I have not taken my phone. I
Yes.
was just taking rest. Yes, very soon exam will come. So that's why I'm telling you to maintain the fair book, so that when there will be exam, no, so exam time you don't have to download the PDF and you don't have to understand from PDF, because when you understand anything from fair book or PDF, there is lots of different. Which one do you like? Learning from phone or
Fair
from
book.
fair book?
Fair book, because in phone we are sometime we are seeing the PDF learning, then after some coming the message, so we are looking
Huh.
that. That's
Yes.
why it
Huh.
is so
Exactly.
problem.
If you will learn from phone, then there are lots of distractions also, and it is not even beneficial. So it's better to learn from fair book
Definitely.
only, means in whichever book you have written everything. So for exam time, at least maintain the fair book, so it will be beneficial for you for exam time. Question one we have already finished, and even I have sent you one example of my fair book also. Means few years back I have made that fair book before so many years. So that was just example that you can know how you have to write in single line book, and which pen you can use that way. That was just example. Now after finishing question one, we will do question two. So Bhimani Sakina, give me one name. That student will just revise name of the places, because name of the places is very important for this chapter. So every day I have to just tell you to revise. Bhimani Sakina, just tell me anyone's ID. Don't tell me from that books, just ID. Are you seeing Sakina? Or is there any network issue? Okay, Keshwani Fatima Muhammad Taki, you only tell me
Okay.
names from IDs,
Okay.
not from that book.
First, Bojani Shabnam.
Okay, that is Bojani Fatima. Bojani Fatima, from how many days you are joining and attending the lectures? Bojani Fatima? At least give me reply. I'm not asking the answer, but I want to know that from how many days you are attending the lecture. Because very few students are attending regularly. Fatima, Pujani Fatima. से पूजानी फातिमा, कितने टाइम से लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे हो? से एक हफ्ते से और फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग? आई एम नो आई
Tomorrow.
टुमारो मींस यस्टरडे, कल से किया?
Yes.
ओके, so maybe you don't know name of the places. Do you know name of the places, ones, tens, hundred, that? Pujani Fatima?
No.
No, okay. So just join regularly, okay, as you have joined today. Same way, join every day,
Okay, ma'am.
and then just pay attention when someone is saying name of the places. Next name, Keshwani Fatima Zehra.
Okay. The next name, Fatima Keshwani, Mehdi Hassan.
Okay, Keshwani
Hello, ma'am.
Fatima, man,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know name of the
Yes,
places?
ma'am.
You can
What?
revise.
जैनब मैम,
Yes.
मैं वॉशरूम में गई थी ना, इसलिए आपने बोला होगा तो मैंने जवाब नहीं दिया.
Okay, okay.
What, ma'am?
Keshwani Fatima Mehendi Hassan, you can tell me name of the places.
One, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh.
Okay. And after that, do you know any next place after like thousand, then 10,000, right? After thousand, 10,000. So after lakh,
My dad.
okay. Now, Bhimani Sakina, now you only tell me the names from ID. Okay? One name.
Yes.
Bhojani Shabnam to her I have already asked. You tell me the next one. And this Keshwani is Fatima Muhammad nee, Mehndi Hasan. Her turn has also come. Both of them. Now tell me the next one.
Khadija Deraiya.
Okay. Dereya Khadija, whose ID is that?
Yes, ma'am.
From how many days you are attending the lecture?
Every day.
Every day. Okay. So do you know name of the places? Once, tenth, that.
Once, ten,
Huh?
one, 10,000.
Nine, one tenth
Excuse me,
thousand.
ma'am.
Yes,
Zainab,
who?
ma'am.
Who?
I'm coming in 2 minutes.
Okay, but who? Who is speaking?
Sara Kaliwala.
Okay, okay. You can go and come back in 2 minutes. So, De Raya, Khadija,
Yes.
you were saying, once tens and then thousand. But after
Yes.
ones and tens, directly thousand, that place is not there. Think again and tell me. After ones, tens, which place? After tens. Okay, now you just have to carefully listen to others, huh? So that you can learn. Next name, Bhimani Sakina.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer? Nay- Nayani Sakina.
Okay. Nayani Sakina, do you know name of the places?
Yes, ma'am.
Nayani Sakina.
One.
Nayani Sakina,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know name of the places?
Yes. One,
Say,
10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore.
very good. Mute your mic. So, Dere Khadija, just repeat no what she said that if you have learned now, or still you have not learned, then you and that Bhojani Fatima, you both have to learn this, write that 10 time in homework, and you have to learn this. Okay, Dere Khadija and this Bhojani Fatima. Both of you have some special homework. You have to write this name of the places 10 time and have to learn also. The next time again I will take oral test of your and that other girl. Okay, now we are starting question 2. So Bhimani Sakina, give me name for reading the heading.
Okay, ma'am. Sania Hasman.
Saima Hasmani. Saima, you can read the heading. Saima, are you there? Hasmani, Saima.
Yes, ma'am.
You can read the heading.
You the word from and the expanded notation for these numbers.
Okay. Now I'm explaining the heading first. The heading is give the word form and the expanded notation for these numbers. I mean, this is one question you can see in figure it is given in number. This one. You have to give two answer. One is word form. Word form means in words, right? In words. That way. And expanded notation means expanded form. You can see this is answer of second question. 67 like 9654. So this is in words, word form, and this is expanded notation downside. This one. So we will do this one. Question 2 means both. Word form also and expanded notation also. Both right now. So I'm writing answer of first A. One by one I will call. So first word form. You can give heading like this, but not right now. I have not given the time to write. I will give the time afterwards to write. So this is word form. Now I'm writing the original question, and then you have to help me. Sakina, give me next name.
Zain Malik.
Whose ID you said?
Zain Malik.
Okay. Whose ID is that? Zain Malik, that ID. Please say your name.
Zayyad Kum Fatima.
Okay. So, Fatima, from how many days you are joining the lecture?
Ma'am, if you had said my name, I don't know because I have go to drink water.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Fatima, you just have to tell me name of the places if you know. Because that is basic, means last year also and fourth also, third also. Place value, that chapter was there. I think so, first chapter only. In third also and fourth also, if you remember. So, Fatima, for you also the same homework that you have to learn name of the places. Next name, Bhimani Sakina.
Yes, ma'am. Madhwani Modesa.
Okay. Madhvani Modesa, you, if you remember name of the places, then please say.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, no, no. Whose name I will call that only. Madhvani Modesa. Are you there, Madhvani Modesa?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Do you know name of the places?
Four is
Four
one
is that.
place.
Okay.
One five is 10 place. Six is 100 place.
Very good.
Nine is 1,000 place. Then seven is lakh place.
And this zero, nine is at thousand. Then zero, after thousand, which place comes?
Lakh
10,000, right? This is 10,000.
10.
This is like, very good. Then 1 lakh. After 1 lakh means after like which place? Like thousand, 10,000. Same way, like 10 lakh. Okay? You just have to add a word 10. Okay, Modisa, just you also just revise name of the places. Okay, Modesa.
Yes.
Just revise name of the places at home in homework.
Okay.
Huh. Okay, now Sakina, give me next name.
Okay. Kulsum Bhimani.
Okay, Bhimani Kulsum. Now we have to write in words. So we will start from this side. So you have to tell me spelling of 67 and then leg. Okay, spelling of 67 and then leg. Spelling of that. What should I write? What is the spelling of 67 leg?
SIFTWS.
And speak loudly, Kulsum, so that I can hear. See.
SIFTWS. 67.
Okay, very good. So this is we have finished first one, 67 like that. Now this is next one, next spelling. So next student, Sakina, next name.
Yes, ma'am.
And those who already know how to write in words, they can write with me, in fair book directly. Give the heading question
Mirkia.
A and then answer of A. Whose ID?
Mirkia.
Whose
MIR.
ID she is calling? Please say what is your name.
MIR. Mir KEYA. Kia. Mirkia.
Okay. Okay. So whoever's ID is called, please say your name. What is your name? And if you don't know the answer, then also you can tell me. I'm just asking the spellings, nothing else. Because we are writing in words, that's why.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to write in fair book.
Yes, because I think so most of the students' fair book is complete till question 1. So whose fair books are complete till question 1, they can write in the fair book directly from question 2. First heading, then question A, then answer A. But those who know the answer, they can only. Those who don't know the answer, they can wait. First I will finish, then you can copy. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to write like this. My fair book is complete. Then I write in the no. Stand up, ma'am.
Yes.
My fair book is complete. Then I write in rough book, no.
Means fair book complete, no? Till question 1.
Yeah.
Then you can write in fair book question
Stand up,
2.
ma'am. We have to
Yes.
write like this. My question two. Ma'am, my question two is also written. मैम
That
मेरा
also you have
क्वेश्चन
done?
टू फिनिश हो गया है
I've just
ये
given till question 1. Last time I
क्वेश्चन
had
वन
just given
क्वेश्चन टू
question 1. I have not given question 2 before.
ओके
But it's okay if you have written. No problem. You can write end of book. Okay, next
we have to
ID.
write like
There are
this.
some students who don't give the answer. Next name, Sakina.
इरीना चौहान
Okay. Irina, do you know the spelling of 9 and then 1000?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the spelling.
NINE.
Then 1000.
T THOUU SAND.
Okay, cool. Now next ID, Sakina.
निदा राजानी
Okay. Rajani, Nida, you have to tell me spelling of 6 and then 100.
Ma'am,
Yes,
see, I
ma'am.
have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the spelling of 600.
Ma'am, see, I
16,
have written.
6 and 100 spelling.
Yes.
Sanam, ma'am,
Yes.
I have
S-I-X.
written.
First, let Nida finish, then you can say. Yes, Nida.
Okay.
S S-I-X-6
Yes.
H-U-N-D-R-E-D.
Yes. HUNDRED. 600. Very good. Now, next ID.
Ma'am, first see, I have written.
Whose ID?
My have written. I am saying ID.
Ha.
Rajani Onali.
Okay. Whose ID is that? Rajani on only that ID. Say your name. You just have to tell me the spelling of 54, which is very easy. Rajani on only that ID. Okay, next ID.
Okay, ma'am. Zainab Alwani.
Okay, Alwani Zainab, that ID, no? Whose ID is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Alwani. Ha. Do you know the spelling of 54?
F-I-F-T-Y 50 F-O-U-R 4.
Ha. Very good. So this is we have finished in words. Okay? Because heading is in words and also expanded notation. So expanded notation means place value of each digit. So copy this much, then we will finish that. We will do that expanded notation. Only do this much, huh? Only finish this much in Fairbook.
Ma'am, how we can write this?
First, give the heading, then write question one, and then this answer.
Okay.
Okay? And only 2 minutes I'm giving so that we can start next expanded notation. Because in one question only there are two questions, word form and expanded notation. And after finishing, just tell me orally if you have finished this much so that we can start.
Finish, ma'am.
Good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is finished. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. I think so. Your mic is not working properly. That's why your voice is not coming properly. Or maybe there is.
Fairbook or Fairbook or rough book?
If your Fairbook is maintained till question one, then you can start question two. I don't
Okay,
mind.
ma'am.
If your Fairbook is complete, then.
तो मैम मैं रफ बुक में लिखूं?
If your Fairbook is not maintained, then you can write end of book.
Okay, ma'am.
Another student, after finishing this much, please inform me.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Very good. Now last 1 minute, then we will start expanded notation.
Ma'am, finished.
Very good.
मैम मैं कल नहीं हूँ, एडमिशन नहीं है तो मेरे पास फेयर बुक नहीं है, रफ बुक में लिखूं?
Yes, and who is speaking? What is your name?
शेख अनीशा.
Yes, you can write now, write in the rough book, then afterward you can complete the fair book. And from which school you have come? Okay, now time is up. So I'm rubbing now.
मैम
So
आपने
for
जो
this,
पहले कराया है वो सब भेज दो ना स्कूल में.
I will send in the group or maybe to you personally. You
Ma'am,
just
my work is
send me
finished.
now expanded notation. So expanded notation means place value of each digit. So Sakina again tell me the IDs.
Mahek Ibrahim Sheikh.
Okay. Whoever's ID is that, please say what is your name.
Ma'am, Sheikh Umeruman.
Okay. Sheikh Umeruman, we have to write expanded notation of this number. So we will start from here. So first digit is 6. So what is the place value of 6? 6 is at which place? I have written name of the place downside.
10.
Umeruman, do you know the name of the places?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So your homework is also the same. You have to write name of the places 10 times and learn. Okay? Totally, I think I have given to 5 girls. So all those 5 girls learn. First write that name of the places 10 times and learn. Next name Sakina.
Pathan Zahra Banu.
Okay. Pathan Zehra, do you know the place value of 6? Like suppose if I say place value of this 6, so 100. Why? Because it is at 100's place. But place value of this 6, what will be the place value of this 6? How many zeros we will write?
Ma'am,
Yes, Zehra.
Patanjera Banu is left.
Okay. Sakina, next name.
Sahista Qureshi.
Okay. Qureshi Fatima, do you know
Yes, ma'am.
place value of 6? How many zeros we will write? It is at tens lakhs place. So 6 is at 10 lakhs place. So we have place value will be 60 lakh. So in 60 lakh, how many zeros are there?
One stands 100,000, 10,000 lakh.
But how many zeros are there in 60 lakh?
Yes, ma'am. 6.
Yes, 6 zeros. And then even we have to put the sign of addition. Now next name Sakina.
जैनब मैम,
Yes.
मेरा डेटा बंद हो गया था ना, इसलिए मैं लीव हो गई थी.
Okay, no problem. Now you can tell me Sakina next name.
Ma'am.
Look traders.
Okay, look traders. I think that is Malkani Bushra.
No,
Malkani Bushra
Balkani
is the
Fatima. No, ma'am,
Ah,
Balkani Fatima.
okay. So Malkani Fatima, do you know that 7 is at which place and what will be the place value?
Mm, ma'am,
6
2
was at
minutes.
10 lakhs place, so place value was 60. So 7 is at lakhs place. So what will be the place value of 7? And how many zeros we will write?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Yes. Even I have told you the shortcut also. You can see that after that digit, how many digits are there? That many zero.
Ma'am, lakh.
And how many zeros we will put behind 7?
50.
Very good.
Okay.
Next name, Sakina.
Fatima Bajaj.
Okay. Bajaj
Yes,
Fatima, do you know? Now which are the next
ma'am.
digit and what are the place value?
Huh, ma'am? Your voice is not coming.
We have completed this 6 and 7. 60
Huh?
and 7, right?
Yes.
So now you have to tell me place value of these two digits.
Which two?
This 0 and 9.
Ma'am,
This we
what
have
is it?
completed 6 and 7. What is the place value of 0? 0 is given at 10,000's place here.
10,000. Yes.
See, 0 is given at any place, no. The place value will be 0 only.
Okay.
Okay? Then
Yes,
next
ma'am.
digit is 9. 9 is at which place? Bajas
1,000.
Fatima. So
10,000.
what will be the place value?
9 place value 10,000.
And in 9,000, how many zeros are there?
3.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now next name.
Mariam Bodiwala.
Okay. Bodiwala Mariam. Now next digit is 6. So do you know
Yes.
place value 6?
6 is the place of 100.
So what should I write? How many zeros?
2.
Yes. Very good. Now next name.
Miza Baloch.
Okay. Miza Baloch. After 6 now next digit is 5. And 5 is at which place?
10.
So what will be the place value?
0.
See, 6 is at 100 place. The place value was 600. This is 9,000.
Okay.
This is 5. So 5 times 6.
50.
Yes, exactly. Very good. Now next name, Sakina.
Yes, ma'am. Malala Aisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next digit is 4. So what is the place value of this 4?
Once.
It is at one's place. So place value will be?
Only 4.
Yes, very good. Very good. Excellent. So we have finished both word form also and expanded notation also. Means write in words and expanded form. So do you have any doubt anyone in these two?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So in Fairbook you can write like this. You can write the question, and then for one A, B, C, D. First write in words means in the words also, and then expanded form. Then again in words, then expanded form. Then again in words, in expanded form. That way. First is in words, then next is expanded form for all A, B, C, D. So first you can try, then I will show this answer to you that you can match. Okay, so first I am giving the time to you. So first copy this answer, then try B, C, D, and then I will tell you to match the answer. So how much?
Done. Facebook में लिखूं?
हाँ,
Okay, ma'am.
first
Ma'am,
copy
I
this
have done.
then solve B, C, and D by yourself. In words also and expanded form both. And how much time you want everyone?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can send answer PDF.
I will send, but I want that first you will try and then you will match. So
I
I
will
will
send
send
in
today
rough
only.
book, huh?
Okay, I will send today only. But first, hope that everyone will first try. Directly, no one will copy. Directly, don't copy the answer, everyone. First, try by yourself, then match the answer, and then see if you have any doubt. Okay, everyone, I will
Okay.
send the answer, but don't copy paste.
Okay, ma'am.
Other students, okay, or you are going to copy?
मैम रफ बुक में ट्राई करें ना?
हाँ,
मैंने हो गया मेरा रफ बुक में.
okay. What
Ma'am,
about
I
other
have
students?
done.
First, you will try, no, or if directly you will copy paste.
And my work is done.
Okay. Because if you are going to copy paste, then I will not send the answer PDF. So first tell me that first you will try or directly copy paste. Say everyone.
First we will try and then we will see that answer is correct or wrong.
Oh,
If its answer is correct, so we will not rub, and if answer is wrong, then we will mark that this is wrong.
okay, good.
Yes, ma'am. बिल्कुल.
Okay. Because I think so you should try that you can know okay, what is a mistake.
Yes. You sent the PDF, then I was copy one time. So my mother scolded me that first you have, you have to try,
Exactly. Yes,
then
yes,
afterwards
exactly.
I'm not copy.
It is 10:11, so I don't know that you will finish in 4 minutes. If you will finish in 4 minutes, then you can match the answer right now only. Otherwise, I will send the PDF from that.
मैम,
Yes,
अब मैं ट्राई करूँ, आप पीडीएफ भेजोगे?
yes, yes. Okay, try only in the homework. Right now, I'm sending only in the group. Otherwise, I will forget.
Okay.
And the same
Hi,
way, you
ma'am.
send the homework to me every day. Let me give the instruction regarding homework also, because every day I'm forwarding your message, in the group, our fifth standard group. So don't put any right click emojis so that I can send without that. Okay.
Yes,
Yesterday I was
ma'am.
but today I have sent whichever I got of social science, Gujarati. That all the subject I have sent. And maths homework just now I will write in the group. So that also you can send before 5 o'clock. So
मैम
that I
क्या
can
करने
forward.
का है? मैं होमवर्क में
I will